Welcome back to YouTube, VST here, Advanced Tech. I have some news for you today. If you are using any Samsung phone, preferably the latest S22 Ultra and S22 and S20 Plus running the latest June update. So I just got this today from Plamen. Thank you, Plamen. Plamen sent me this link from Reddit where apparently people are claiming that Samsung removed the band selection screen from public access in firmware June the 1st. So what I'm gonna try to explain, guys, in this video, first to confirm if that's true, second to try to understand what exactly band selection is, do you need it, or we can skip. If you're here for the first time, I will appreciate a sub. Now let's get started. The first and most sure thing you can do to check if you have access to the band selection is to just enter your dialer and then type the star hash 4636 and then reverse hash star, right? The moment I saw this, yeah, I was aware that something is really wrong. The second thing, of course, that you can do, there is an application called Samsung Band Selection. You can also try to download this from the Play Store, right? It will give some information about your phone, and there is also a very convenient button to launch the band selection. Boom! Hidden network settings activity not found on the device. So yes, sadly, I can confirm that apparently the band selection doesn't work anymore. I'm using the very latest AVF1 June update for the S21 Ultra. And now, guys, I am gonna take my Xiaomi 12 and show you the same here and try to explain you what exactly is this and yeah, what can you do with this and are we missing on something or not. So that's the Xiaomi 12 running the very latest Android 12, though with the security update from May, and I am now running the same code. And yep, we have access to the testing menu. So where can you find the band selection? Provided you use only one SIM card, go to phone information, right? Here, guys, down below, you're gonna get set preferred network type. Before we get to this, just take a look on all of the information that you are getting here. The current network, are you in roaming, are you using data service, what is the network type, do you have the voice service, do you have the voice network type, you have also the signal strength, and etc. And now, guys, this here, set preferred network type, this here is the menu which allowed you to manually choose the band. And that's not the same as going inside the settings and just turning 5G off, let's say allowing only 2G, 3G and LTE 4G. Here you can do plenty of stuff. You can just see how many band combinations you have, all right? And this is no longer possible on the latest Samsung phones. Now I'm addressing the latest point in the video, and this is what exactly is this band selection and do I need it? So I found here a comment from a gentleman called Reddit. Thank you very much. He's apparently using the Galaxy Z series, and he's giving this like perfect example. You find band 2 66 congested, but your phone keeps connecting to that. So imagine, guys, you are at your office and your mobile connection is not that good. So you can open here this band selection and then you see that you're connected to band 2. And again, the channel 66 congested is not really working for you, but you can override it to a non-congested band like 41. So you can apparently change the bands manually from the band selection and try to optimize your speed where, let's say, you have bad reception or somehow for any other reason you have bad or slow connectivity. And as you can just see, I'm going to put the link down below to the Reddit thread. A lot of people are actually frustrated, right? They were using this to manually override some settings here. For me, the launch band selection stopped working, but I still can manually override to 4G using more network settings. Yeah, and this, by the way, refers to this application that I showed you before. If you install the Samsung band selection and you click more network settings, you still are gonna be able to do some things, right? But then again, guys, this is, yeah, just not gonna be so sophisticated the way you would have used the band selection. So right now, there seems to be no solution to get this back. Is this just, let's say, temporarily for the, let's say, June firmware? Is Samsung gonna put this back into the latest firmwares? We don't know that, right? But right now, this is kind of the sad truth. So, yeah, I am the bringer of sad news today, but please, if you have liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of the next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.